There was just 7 Filipinos with 1 goal. Oh, wow! Nanababaw kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Wherein Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products and services to our Wherein Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Aiza's Sweet for sending us 2 of their best sellers na mga products. So as we all know, marzipan are milk-rich delicacies cooked with cashew nuts. This one is actually 18 pieces. The other one is 16 pieces. Okay, so let's taste it. Oh yeah! Moving on, meron po tayong mga pastillas. It's a milk-based sweet or delicacy. So this is their 30 pieces package, and then the other one is the 20 pieces package. They actually have several flavors. Now let's taste some. So, ito naman yung ube makapuno nila. Ayan, let's taste it. Ito naman yung kanilang pastillas de dayap. That is really refreshing. So fruity. Next is the pastillas de ube. Oh yeah, ubeng-ube. We also have pastillas de langka. Meron din po tayong pastillas de carrot. Huling-huli naman natin titikman yung kanilang pastillas de buko pandan. So let's taste it. Oh, wow! So yung favorite nating sweet, which is the buko pandan salad, available po dito sa Aiza Sweet. So yun po yung mga available flavors nila for the pastillas. They do still have other products such as Fiestarts. Brief background about Aiza Sweets. There was just 7 Filipinos with 1 goal, and that is to produce a delicious, high-quality, handcrafted, authentic Pinoy snacks made with natural ingredients for all over the world. So actually yung mga ingredients natin po dito are made from real fruits and vegetables. Converted this simple hobby into a legitimate business. Nagsimula lang po talaga sila from manual labor. And then the rest is history. Up until now, they are existing. You can actually find these products sa mga huge malls, sa mga pasalubong centers, as well as Asian stores abroad. To know more about how can you avail these, you can check out their official Facebook page, which is Aiza Sweet, or dun sa website nila, which is aizasweet.com. You can find some, testimonials from foreign people that they really love this product. So there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please, give it a thumbs up. You share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching Wherein Pampanga. I hope to see you in the next video. Until then, please save and stay at home. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.